Nature Symphony, a harmonious thought. Nature, an ever-evolving symphony, envelops us in its serene embrace. Trees, white branch, outstretched like friendly hands, sway to the rhythm of the whispering wind. The sun, master of light, paints the sky with golden strokes. At dawn, an orange hues at dusk. Rivers life, arteries flow graceful among the stone, carrying wit and seed street, flora and fauna and diverse chords, sing melodies of life and rebirth. In its majestic stage, where were spectres and great struck by the eternal beautiful of nature. Establishing contact with the beautiful of nature makes life much more beautiful, much more real, and the more attentive or parameter you contemplate the sunset, the more deeply it will be revealed to you.